Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to check the network connection on your PC, then this video is for you. First, click on this start menu icon here and simply go to the settings. From here you can find the network and internet. Now you have to go to that exact internet that you're connected. So I have Wi-Fi and Ethernet cable both connected here. So you can go to that, you can find here that is connected. So Ethernet cable is connected here. So I'm going to simply click on it. Now you can find the Ethernet cable here, and we are going to. Then you can find the internet option here, and you can also find the status from here, like media state, bytes sent, bytes received here, link speed, and the duration from here. Also, you can find view additional properties where you can find more details about your current connection. Also, if you are on, let me show you, if you are on the network here, then you can find this properties icon here. Simply click on properties. Now here you can find all of the details, and you can run an internet speed test. You can simply click on it, and it will redirect you to the Microsoft Bing, where you can simply click on start, and you can check the current speed right now that you are experiencing on your internet connection. So that's how you can check the internet status or the network status on your PC. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.